Now the topic before us is database servers. Database servers play a critical role in modern information systems. They manage and organize vast amounts of data. Here is a general view of the database servers. Database server is a specialized server. It acts as a centralized repository where various types of data can be stored. Centralized means at one place. All the data is stored at one place. Database servers are dedicated computers that hold the actual databases, and database servers run only on DBMS and related software. A modern database server can host and manage databases of different types, including relational database, unstructured, in-memory database, graph database, etc. Database servers are designed so that they can handle multiple user requests simultaneously. Database servers ensure that multiple users or applications can access and modify data concurrently. Modify means insert, delete, or make other changes in the data concurrently without interference or conflicts. The different types of database servers are available, such as relational database servers, NoSQL database servers, in-memory database servers, and distributed database servers. Database servers operate on a client-server model. Now we will understand the same with the help of an example. The website has a database server that stores information about products, prices, customers' details, and orders. We take the example of, say, eBay. That website or eBay site has a database server where all the information in respect of the customers, products, orders, and prices of the products, all the information is stored in the database server. When a customer visits the site, the user's web browser means Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. The user's web browser, that is the client, sends the request to the website's server to search the desired product. That is, we want to search a product, we click it on the site, and the website's server searches the same. What website server does, it interacts with the database server, that is, which is called server here, to fetch the required data. That is, user approaches the website server and the website server approaches the database server. The database server in turn processes the requests and provides the necessary information back to the website server. Now the website server does what? It displays the relevant data to the user. So what it is all? Client visits the website server approaches the database server provides the result to the website server, and the website server provides the relevant information or the desired data to the user. A database server is a combination of physical hardware as well as software. What is the meaning of hardware part of the database server? Hardware part of the database server means physical equipment like a computer or a set of computers that stores and manages the data. The key hardware components which are usually found in a database server are CPU, RAM, storage devices, HDD, network interface card, cooling system, server chassis where the servers are placed, etc. As the database servers do intensive data processing tasks, the data servers are doing their job round the clock. They have to do intensive processing. If you take the case of banks or online shopping sites, social networking sites, their servers are always busy because they have to handle large volume of data. In the case of social sites, tweets, various posts, audio files, video files, all this data have to be handled by the database servers. So they generate a considerable amount of heat. So proper cooling system like fans, heat sinks are crucial to maintain suitable operating temperatures and prevent hardware failure. If any system overheats, it fails. So prevent this system from overheating. The database servers have fans and heat sinks which form the part of the hardware of the database server. Larger databases with high traffic often require more powerful hardware. Naturally, if a large number of users are there or the database servers have to handle large amount of data, then naturally more powerful hardware has to be used to ensure smooth and efficient data management. The software of a database server is responsible for managing the data. This includes tasks such as storing the data, retrieving the data, retrieving means fetching the data, and updating the data in the database. Software components include DBMS, structured query language, database engine, security features, etc. Popular database server software examples are MySQL, Oracle Database, Microsoft SQL Server. The physical hardware and software of the database server work together to provide reliable and secure way to store and manage data. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.